Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is covering 3E. I'm only doing number 2 for this one. Okay, listen very carefully. You're trying to get it into intercept form, into standard form. So let me explain to you what intercept form is, okay? Intercept form will look like something like this. Y is equal to A parentheses X plus P and X plus Q, okay? P and Q are your factors. All right. Then in the end, you want it into standard form. You already know what standard form looks like. All right. So what we need to do is we need to grab these solutions, right? These x-intercepts, right? And we have to convert those x-intercepts somehow. So we know that the x-intercepts are your solutions. So we can write solutions are x is equal to -4 and x is equal to 1. Do you see? It's just the x values, right? So that means we now want to make this equal to 0, right? So we can add 4 to both sides. This gets you now x plus 4. This one, subtract 1 to both sides. This now gets you x minus 1 equals to 0. Why do we do this? Okay, we make it equal to 0. Okay, because now these are your factors. They're right here. So it becomes x plus 4 and x minus 1. Okay, you need to just know what A is. A is actually given in the problem. It actually already tells it to you. So it says that it opens down. So A is negative. And it says stretch. So the absolute value of A is bigger than 1. So here it says a factor of 3. So A here is -3. So Y is equal to -3 parentheses x plus 4 parentheses x minus 1. If you don't believe me, I graphed it right there. Okay, take a look. Does it intercept? Take a look. Does it intercept at the points that we want? -4 and 1. It does. Does it open down? Yes, it does. And it does stretch it by a factor of 3. Okay, now we're not wait, this is intercept form, but now we want it in standard form. Okay, so to get it from standard form, we just distribute. Okay, so I rewrite the equation as before, but this time I'm just going to distribute. So distribute this in, x squared, distribute this in, becomes -x, distribute this, becomes 4x, distribute this in, becomes -4. Okay, remember, there's that 3 that is still in front. Okay, now combine, there's some like terms on the inside here. So x squared, this is a 1x plus 3x. So this is a what? Plus 3, -1x plus 4x is plus 3x. Okay, now distribute that 3 inside to all other terms. Okay, y is equal to -3x squared, -9x plus 12. Okay, let's see if this is right. So we know this is correct. Let's see if we graph this correctly. Y equals to -3x squared minus -9x plus 12. Yep, do you see how it matches identically? That's how you know you did it correct. Okay, so there you go. That is how we get it from, we grab the information, put it into x-intercept form by grabbing the x-intercept, getting it into its solutions, then getting it to its factors. Then we distribute to get it back into standard form. So there you go.